Okay, drone is on. I've got the camera pointed down. Here's DJI Pro, DJI Go 4. Camera, that's me. Okay, so it's connected, no problem. Let's arm it.
Take off. Please check it out.
All right, got it up there. There, just disconnected. All right, y'all will bitch and moan saying I'm in the car. Let's go outside the car. Literally straight up. We've got connection. HD video feed is very poor. Lost it. All I'm doing is going straight up. Disconnected. But when I give it throttle, it's still going up. See if it comes back online. And it came back online now at 2:56. Let's see if it's the cable. Maybe it's the USB cable. Never know. Had that happen before. So even though it's a brand new Anchor cable, I mean less than 2 months old, got it in there. Sorry, it's an inland cable. It's a good one. Alright, it's coming back home because I lost connectivity for a while. I'm going to cancel, return to home. Still coming down. Cancel auto landing, yes. As soon as I hit yes though, it disconnected, so. Alright, landing canceled. We're outside. I mean, it's straight up in the air. Antennas are, you know, just point them straight up. Point them like this, any way you want. Just antenna. It's just blinking on its own. So, not USB cable. I have a third one here we can try. And clearly it's losing radio connectivity because it's initiating a return to home, which it wouldn't do if it was just losing connectivity with an iPad. New cable. This is an actual Apple cable. Disconnected. I'm gonna bring it down. It's still controlling even though it's a red for signal. It's mind-blowing. Cancel return to home. Okay. And I just lost it. It's ridiculous. Alright, we're gonna bring it way down. Connectivity here at 12 feet. 55 feet. Loses it. Alright. Something's up.